In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hotkeys in OBS Studio Beginner's Guide. Hotkeys let you control OBS instantly without clicking through menus, which is a game changer when you're live, recording, or presenting and need smooth hands-free control. First, open OBS Studio and head to Settings. You'll usually find the Settings button in the lower right corner of the main window. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. The Settings button is always available from the main OBS window. Next, select Hotkeys from the menu on the left. This opens a dedicated page where every controllable action in OBS is listed. You'll see general actions at the top and then sections for scenes, sources, and more. Think of this page as your command center for shortcuts. Now locate the action you want to map. You can scroll through the list and expand sections as needed. Decide exactly what you want to trigger, starting a stream, stopping a recording, performing a transition, or muting audio. Picking the right action up front keeps your setup clean and avoids confusion later. Click in the empty box next to the action, then press the key or combination you want to use. Modifier keys like Control, Alt, and Shift are great for creating unique, easy-to-remember combos. Aim for shortcuts that won't conflict with your operating system or the apps you use while streaming, like games or meeting tools. If OBS warns you about a duplicate, consider choosing a different combination to prevent accidental triggers. Keep your hands in mind too. Choose keys that are comfortable to reach without looking away from your content. When you're satisfied, click Apply to save your assignments, then click OK to close the settings window. Apply locks in your choices so you won't lose them if you switch tabs or make other changes. Let's make sure you've covered the essentials. Set hotkeys for start streaming and stop streaming so you can go live and end the broadcast confidently. Do the same for start recording and stop recording to capture offline content without fumbling for buttons. Assign a hotkey for transition so you can switch from preview to program instantly, keeping your show looking professional. Finally, add toggle mute for your microphone and for desktop audio so you can quickly silence yourself or system sounds when needed. Choose distinct keys for each to avoid mix-ups. That's it, your hotkeys are ready to go. With these in place, you'll move faster, make fewer mistakes, and keep your focus where it belongs, on your content.